Okay, guys, see, I just want to talk to this person. May I talk to this person, Yes, clothes not fit my wife normally. What be this your name again? Let me see. Paulina or whatever they call yourself, Right. See, may I tell you something, Clothes not fit my wife, yeah. Like what you talking? See, clothes not fit her, no doubt. Me I not get problem. She do okay for me, say clothes not fit her. But you will be say clothes.
Clothes dey fit. Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to your location. I greet the house, I greet everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. My people, we don't carry another ogboge matter come again. Hey my people, not even we know see for inside social media for commenters body. Una know our commenters now, they can do amebo. Now where you no call the night that they go. This one na for inside TikTok. This matter for happen. So when we want talk, it happened to Jama First Lady with her husband. Picture or video when Jama First Lady post for inside TikTok. Now somebody go there say, "Crot no ever mo see how the person TikTok and mo no like, mo no like." The person come write for the comment section. He say, "No crotch dey ever defeat you. Which kind person you be sef?" Now wow, commenters we too get mouth. Now where they no call us, now we dey go, and which e dey very bad. No be everything, no be we go dey chook our mouth put, because no be this woman, no be she create herself. Now God na create her. Mona accept her as she be, as God take create her. More no dey bully human being. Una bully for Facebook, una bully person for TikTok. As far as her husband appreciate her the way she be, make una comot eye for her body. Even though her leg na bend, even though her nyash na bend. Una never see some kind stature, how even good. Una don see some kind stature. Even this person now when they laugh Jama First Lady, if you gallant, get up, may we see you. If you really gallant, they complete for person finish. Egba normal for mona no dey laugh person again. Wait for complete for you. Now there for not complete for somebody. Wait for not complete for you. Waiting you dey miss for your life. Now so another person they see am like water. Make una no dey laugh person again. It too bad the way when we say they laugh person. My amazing people, before we go listen to this audio, please my amazing people, if today na your first time when you come across my video and you never subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by dropping down your amazing subscribers on your notification bell in case whenever we drop any video, una will receive our video. God bless you all. Please let me remind you all that subscription is free. Do your girl, your sister a favor by subscribing, and also share my video. Share to your loved ones. Please let this video go viral. God bless you all. My amazing people, make we listen to this audio.
Like, why did this single now? Since no more of one. Like, why did this single now? Since clothes they fit you.
Ask her for me.
You fine, everything they okay for you.
Okay.
And clothes they fit you, but you're
Why
single. Why are you single? Can you answer that question? Why are you single?
Okay.
You see where the problem lies. Many of you cause problem to yourself.
That is
somebody
it.
will not talk to you. You just come to the person comment section.
They
You
bully
just
the
give
person.
comment where they say yes and it not relate to what the person they do. You see why you guys are so jealous.
Exactly.
The reason why I made this video be saying person like you. Now I don't feel like if I ever see you say maybe you never born said I don't born for when I get so you never born person like I no go fit take her. You know why? Because I really see me you smell.
That one enter.
You feel me? Guys, simple and obvious. I need to do something about.
No,
I like reply to some certain people who be saying yes, they feel there's a big song.
Talk.
You understand? You talk to my wife who be saying where she pull leg, you know if you pull leg. This
Abba.
one where you see yes, so I can die for her, but we don't feel die for you.
Okay.
I don't feel die for you because one, you dey smell.
Exactly.
Oh.
You see, I only see all of us. In short, I don't feel classify all of them because if I classify all of them, people ask me, I had my wife, Jenna. No, some people like you, you guys are too stink.
Exactly. Let me the man with
you feel me? That's why the man will be say born for you, you born for him, the charge lazy.
This kind of only trouser go just
if you just pull off your trouser, everyone will say,
Sir.
Then you come here, come to talk to classic woman.
Okay.
With you husband with your body.
Like,
but when cloth not the fit,
see, is that how you guys know what you want?
Okay.
Not the every day you see you drop comment will not make sense.
At all.
Because it's time for you.
See, you're fine. Please take your fine, enter market. Now you go feel out one month.
I just search
don't try her. My wife's not fine.
Cloth not the fit.
Cloth not the fit her, but she get there with ma for her.
My children, they grow with papa. Yes.
Now we dey talk now say egba normal for e no dey complete for person finish. May we stop to dey mock people. Cloth no dey fit her. Her leg bend, her nyash flat. As una dey talk am, her man dey with her for house. You see some beautiful women, they be single mother. E no dey complete for person finish. Where if for complete for you, na there for not complete for another person. Where if for not complete for another person, na there if for complete for you. So my people, make we not dey mock anybody again. We dey mock this woman say she bend. Na somebody create her. Now God know why he creates her like that. As why her husband dey appreciate her the way she is, make una leave her alone. Make una let her be. Una all want too much. Wetin una all want too much, my people. May we continue with the.
But she's okay. You were not local, but you come local.
You were classy.
You see who look apart. You are the one. You see when I said you guys are so. I know why you
said all of them.
You see that place where we say B. That place where they call B. Who na come for? Who na respect myself? Now be the nuisance with the social media. Now be nuisance for me. You will fine. Go fix yourself with money and try wash yourself. You stink. That's why men.
Nasi.
What do y'all do for a living? No clothes they ever foot you.
Foot you. Oh my God, this people.
See, I just want to talk to this person. May I talk to this person? You know?
My people, una dey see how people say they cause problem for themselves, even though wetin me not like for person. Make una dey bully person with wetin dey the person body, because this person not be you creator, not be me creator, not be your husband creates this person. Now God Almighty know the reason why he creates that person like that. So more not they create wetin una, more not they laugh wetin una not create, wetin una not mold with una hands. E dey very bad as we take dey do things for inside social media, Facebook and TikTok. The way the bully be for inside Facebook and TikTok is too much. Reduce bully. Now go cause person omomo. Ibieka una go dey cause them. Not even we not dey let una take do saga for inside that Facebook and TikTok. Make una reduce am. It's too much. The only place where you go for day when you will get peace of mind na inside YouTube. Just that YouTube dey stressful. Na inside YouTube you go dey, you will get peace of mind. I know say cost people still dey come dey cost you, but e no be like Facebook market woman place or TikTok. Na TikTok come worse pass. And TikTok come worse pass. E dey very bad. My people, mo check the comments, mo see wetin people talk for the comments. So our first comment today say, a real man always defend his wife. Na so Jehovah God make am. I'm proud of you. The other one say, don't mind her, she is a bad girl. And the other one says, some people do not know how to talk. How can you say that? How can you say that about this lovely lady I'm seeing here like this? I'm seeing like this. Sometimes is it definite wrong. Something is definitely wrong with her, Okoro, and her reasoning. And this one say, guy, abeg, you go leave alone. Please, my people, I'll drop the comments. Now wetin I see at the read. You go leave alone, fight for your wife. Jare, no mind jealous people. This one say, perfect say. And this one say, you are very nice husband, Okoro. The other one say, this husband and wife, you guys will not kill person. You guys will not kill person. Oh, emoji of love, give them back. The other one say, this person, they jealous first lady. And our next comment say, women body shaping women, some people not get sense, na lack of whole training dey cause am. The other one come say, me, I love her, your wife, so do not bother about hate and people who talk anyhow. God bless you all, my amazing people. As we dey read, we go paste the comments, so now go see the comment. My amazing people, if today na your first time when you dey come across this channel and you never subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by dropping your amazing subscriber for me on your notification bell, in case whenever we drop any video, una will receive our video. God bless you all. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Stay blessed and see you all on my next video.